ramdam na ang holiday feel sa Makati City. Yan ang agenda report ni Pierre Pastor, live mula sa Ayala Avenue. Pierre, kumusta ang holiday feels dyan?
Merry Christmas na talaga, Willard. Dahil at 6 p.m. ngayong gabi ay umilaw na itong Ayala Avenue. Ito kasi ang sign ng mga taga Makati at ng buong bansa na rin na Pasko na kapag may ilaw na ang Ayala Avenue. At ito ngang taunang pailaw dito, lighting event of the Ayala Avenue ay 5 dekada nang ginagawa. Siyempre, like always, bongga talaga ang pa-Christmas decor ng Ayala. And ang theme this year is Makati in Color, where Christmas tradition meets imagination. Dahil constant ang innovation ng Makati City. Very Filipino pa rin siyempre ang tema ng decorations, inspired by the sari manok na simbolo ng prosperity at ang national leaf na anahaw na symbol of resilience. All the materials for the decor ay locally made. To grace the event, Willard, dumating si Makati City Mayor Nancy Binay and the chairman of the Ayala Corporation ay Augusto Zobel de Ayala, si Jamie Zobel Orquijo, Chief Sustainability and Risk Officer of the Ayala Group, kasama ang kanyang pamilya.
It's really all about showing how Christmas can really uplift our spirits, especially nowadays with what the Philippines is going through with typhoons and all sorts of corruption scandals. I think something like this, the lightings of Makati can really uplift the hearts and emotions of Filipinos today.
At syempre, Willard, para Pasko-Pasko na talaga, hindi lang Ayala Avenue ang may ilaw. Meron na rin sa Paseo de Rojas, Makati Avenue, pati na ang Green Hills ay meron na rin ilaw. At syempre, hindi naman natapos ang selebrasyon sa traditional lang na pagpapailaw. Meron din syempre program dito na dinaluhan talaga ng maraming dumayo dito sa Makati City para sa event ngayon. Willard?
Maraming salamat, Pierre Pastor. Nag-uulat ng live mula sa Ayala Avenue sa Makati City.